Discover the top 7 best dash cams that combine cutting-edge technology, exceptional video quality, and advanced safety features. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-haul driver, these dash cams offer reliable road protection, seamless connectivity, and peace of mind, making them essential companions for every journey. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam is a premium driving companion offering cutting-edge 4K UHD resolution at 30 frames per second for crystal clear video quality, ensuring essential details like license plates and road signs are captured. It features enhanced night vision, delivering exceptional low-light performance. With image stabilization, it reduces vibrations for smoother footage, even on uneven roads. Equipped with Alexa integration, you can control music, check weather updates, or make calls hands-free. It's what 3 words always integration enables precise location sharing for emergencies. The Emergency SOS feature automatically alerts emergency services with your location in case of a severe accident. The 622 gigawatt supports intelligent parking mode, safeguarding your car when unattended. With its responsive 3-inch touchscreen, setup and playback are seamless. GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connectivity allow easy sharing and access to recordings. Designed for peace of mind, the Nextbase 622GW is ideal for safety-conscious drivers seeking top-tier technology. Number 6. Garmin Das Cam Live. The Garmin Das Cam Live is a premium in-car camera designed to keep you connected and protected on every journey. Equipped with a 1440p HD lens and a 140-degree wide-angle field of view, this compact dash cam captures crystal-clear video day or night. Its standout feature is the 4G LTE connectivity subscription required, allowing real-time live view monitoring from your smartphone via the Garmin Drive app. Stay safe with advanced driver alerts, including forward collision and lane departure warnings. Automatic video recording ensures critical moments are saved, while voice control lets you manage functions hands-free. The device also features GPS logging for precise location tracking and cloud storage to safeguard your footage. The Garmin Das Cam Live is easy to install with its magnetic mount and compact design, blending seamlessly into your car. Whether you're protecting against potential incidents or monitoring your vehicle remotely, it's the ultimate solution for peace of mind on the road. Number 5. Vantre N4. The Vantre N4 is a versatile 3-channel dash cam that provides comprehensive coverage to ensure your safety on the road. It records in crystal clear 4K resolution from the front, 1080p from the rear, and 1440p inside the cabin, capturing every detail day or night. Its Sony Starvis sensors and infrared night vision make it perfect for rideshare drivers, offering reliable video quality even in low-light conditions. Equipped with a 155-degree front, 165-degree inside, and 160-degree rear lens, the N4 covers all angles of your vehicle, providing unmatched security and evidence in case of an accident or unexpected events. Features like loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and seamless parking mode ensure that all critical moments are captured and saved automatically. The Vantre N4 is easy to install and supports up to a 512GB micro SD card for extended recording capacity. With its reliable performance and robust features, it's the ultimate companion for professional drivers and daily commuters alike. Number 4. Cobra SC400D. The Cobra SC400D is a high-performance dash cam designed to deliver superior video quality and comprehensive road coverage. Featuring Ultra HD 4K resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear, this dual-channel system ensures crystal-clear footage of every drive. Its ultra-wide 140-degree field of view captures critical details like license plates and road signs, while advanced sensors provide exceptional clarity in low-light conditions. Packed with intelligent features, the SC400D offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration with the Cobra Drive app, enabling real-time video access, easy file sharing, and GPS tracking. The built-in driver alerts, including lane departure and collision warnings, enhance your safety on the road. The dash cam also supports voice control for hands-free operation, and the optional cabin view camera, sold separately, makes it perfect for rideshare drivers. With its sleek design and robust features, the Cobra SC400D is the ultimate choice for reliable and smart road monitoring. Number 3. Viofo A229 Pro. The Viofo A229 Pro is a cutting-edge dual-channel dash cam that combines 4K Ultra HD front recording and 2K Quad HD rear recording for exceptional video clarity. Designed for drivers who demand top-tier performance, the A229 Pro captures critical details like license plates, road signs, and surroundings, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensors. Its 140-degree wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's front and rear. Built-in GPS logs your location and speed data, while the G sensor automatically locks and protects important footage in case of an impact. The Viofo A229 Pro also supports parking mode with motion detection and time-lapse options for round-the-clock surveillance. With Wi-Fi connectivity and app compatibility, you can effortlessly view, manage, and share your recordings. The durable design, user-friendly interface, and support for up to 256GB microSD cards make the Viofo A229 Pro a reliable choice for enhanced road safety and peace of mind. Number 2. Thinkware U1000. The Thinkware U1000 is a premium dual-channel dash cam designed to deliver unparalleled video quality and advanced road safety features. Recording in stunning 4K Ultra HD front and 2K Quad HD rear, it captures every detail with exceptional clarity, making it ideal for documenting road incidents or scenic drives. Its wide-angle lenses ensure comprehensive coverage, while advanced HDR technology enhances video quality in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, the U1000 allows seamless access to footage, real-time tracking, and route history via the Thinkware Cloud app. Features like speed camera alerts, lane departure warnings, and forward collision alerts enhance driver safety, while the G sensor locks crucial recordings during an impact. The U1000 offers a comprehensive parking mode with energy-efficient impact and motion detection, safeguarding your vehicle even when unattended. Supporting up to a 128GB microSD card, this sleek and durable dash cam is the ultimate choice for those seeking cutting-edge technology and reliable road security. Number 1. Myo 54 K-Dash Cam. The Myo 54 K-Dash Cam is a powerful all-in-one solution for capturing your drives with unparalleled clarity and precision. Featuring 4K Ultra HD resolution and a 140-degree wide-angle lens, it records every detail on the road, from license plates to road signs, ensuring critical moments are never missed. Its advanced Sony Starvis sensor and HDR technology deliver superior video quality, even in low-light or nighttime conditions. This sleek and compact dashcam is equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing for real-time tracking, route history, and easy access to footage through the Myo 5 app. The G sensor automatically locks important recordings during sudden impacts, while loop recording ensures uninterrupted video capture. With its integrated supercapacitor, the Myo 5 is built to withstand extreme temperatures, providing reliable performance in all weather conditions. The user-friendly design and support for voice control make it easy to operate, making the Myo 5 4K dashcam a dependable and feature-rich companion for any driver. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best dashcams. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.